Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, I'm sharing with you a chicken recipe that's crispy on the outside, beautifully golden like a pomegranate, tender and juicy like Turkish delight on the inside, and whose incredible flavor secret lies in its sauce. I used approximately 1 kilogram of chicken fillet. Let's cut them into medium-sized slices. Then, add about 1 teaspoon of salt, and about a teaspoon each of red chili powder, red pepper flakes, black pepper, and curry. Mix well so that it covers all sides of the chicken. Next, let's prepare our magnificent sauce that makes our chicken incredibly tender and delicious. Add 1 egg to a mixing bowl and whisk it slightly. Then, add 200 milliliters, which is 1 bottle, of plain sparkling water. And continue whisking at this stage. And add 1 glass of flour, continuing to whisk until it reaches a smooth consistency. Thanks to the sparkling water we added, our chicken becomes cotton soft, juicy, and very delicious. Pour the sauce we prepared over the seasoned chicken and mix thoroughly so it covers all sides. Then, cover it and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Or 3 to 4 hours if you have the time. I let it rest for about an hour. Uncover it, let's give it another stir. Heat some oil in a large non-stick pan. Add our chicken to it. First, cook our chicken over low heat, then over medium heat, occasionally. Thanks to the sparkling water we added to the sauce, the chicken never dries out and remains very juicy and delicious. After frying all our chicken in the same way, serve it immediately while hot. If you still think chicken breast gets dry, with this recipe, we're closing that chapter forever. I'm sure this tender, juicy, Turkish delight-like flavor will become your new favorite. Don't forget to share your thoughts with me in the comments when you try it. Bon appétit to those who will try it. Thanks for watching.